Ladies and gentlemen,
Halo para pengunjung dan juga tamu VIP dan juga rekan-rekan media.
大家好。
Indonesia is the 15th largest export destination of Taiwanese machinery industry.
This industry cluster enables our machine tool makers to increase their efficiency, to lower the cost.
I'm from PT3 KMX. Since our founding in the year 1992, we started our manufacturing operations using a single electric induction machine and a single line of molding machines in the casting business. Both of these two machines, and I call them our milestone machine, our very first milestone machine, were both made in Taiwan.
Electronics, we provide a total solution of industrial automation from the basic layer of equipment like the robot and LI machine and so on. This platform it provides an overview for the manager of the production line or the factory. So with this solution, that will achieve the smart manufacturing.
Produk barunya adalah automation seperti yang di belakang saya ini, seperti robot, loading unloading system, lalu QR code juga, semua jadi satu kesatuan seperti itu. Tongtai mesin itu premium class di Taiwan. Jadi untuk kualitas kami menjamin untuk akurasi dan ketahanan, durability mesin Tongtai.
I'm as mentioned, I'm from LNO Machinery, and our company established in 1991. And this time we use the VR to show our product machine. Where our product can use in the power analogy, steel industry, and we also do VR to show the customers and do a training for customers, and also will be safety to teach the customers. Kami dari Techman Robot. Di sini kami menampilkan mobile cobot atau collaborative robot, di mana ada arm robot. Di sini kita combine dengan AGV.
This is Mike from Stay Machinery, Taiwan. I'm the director of the overseas sales department. And today we're very happy to join this exhibition. And we have an agent, Jaya Metal Technical, mechanical, different single point, 110 presses. And with the automation system, we're very happy. A lot of customers come here to introduce CE to all the customers in Indonesia. Yeah, and we will continue to join this exhibition because we feel this is very successful exhibition and we can get a lot of orders after this exhibition.